Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a super simple but extremely delicious baked chicken recipe. So let's get into it. All right, jumping right into this recipe, I have here 4 large chicken leg quarters, which I have already washed thoroughly with cold water and vinegar. I then went ahead and made some deep incisions with a knife so that when I go and season my meat, all of the seasonings can penetrate. And I also cut off any excess hanging skin that tends to come from the thigh part of the leg quarter. I love using chicken leg quarters, apart from being my favorite cut of chicken because dark meat is just so delicious and bakes beautifully. It's also very affordable, which I feel like it's very important for a lot of us, if not most of us, during these times. So yeah, so if you wanna feed a crowd with not a lot of money, get yourself some chicken leg quarters. All right, so for seasoning, I drizzled a little bit of olive oil and then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the juice of half a lime. And if you are smarter than me, you would use a juicer because I was struggling squeezing that lime. It was really hard. Yeah, definitely use a juicer. You can also leave your limes inside a bowl of some warm water, and that will help the juice to come out a lot more efficiently. All right, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of sofrito. This is about a tablespoon or so. This is going to add some really good flavor. Sofrito is full of cilantro, peppers, onions, garlic, delicious. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with my all-purpose seasoning. This is the Lori's Casero Total Seasoning. It's very similar to adobo, but it just has a couple of extra ingredients such as parsley, dry cilantro. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Tony's Creole seasoning. I will list all of the ingredients that I use down below. Just be sure to adjust for taste. Then I'm gonna go ahead with a heavy hand, add plenty of garlic powder. Since this has no salt, I can add as much or as little as I like. And then I'm also gonna add some dry oregano flakes and some dry parsley for some color. And afterwards, I'm gonna give that a really good mix. All right, now my chicken is nice and well seasoned. It is ready to go in the oven. However, if you are not in a hurry, like I was today, or if you're just meal prepping some chicken for the week, you can go ahead and leave this in your chicken marinating safely for up to 2 days. And I have my oven preheated at 375 degrees, and I'll be baking this for about an hour or until it's nice and crispy and golden. And after exactly 1 hour, my chicken is done. It is extremely juicy and nice and crispy on the outside. And that is all for today's video. This chicken recipe came out incredible, so delicious. And the best part about it, it was super simple to make and affordable. As always, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Also, give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel a ton, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, bye.